Let's look at the Russell. I think the Russell is probably more important than the Qs. It's really a leading indicator here. I leaned in heavy on the Russell and was paid quite well yesterday on this move. This move here, that was freaking gangster. I had the 253 puts naked. And when this dropped like that, man. Michael, you had the 253 puts with me, didn't you? You guys had the 253 puts, yes? You should have. What about those Lockheed Martin calls? You guys had the Lockheed Martin calls? I had too many of them. So, I'm sorry, it was a 254 put, I think is what it was. Anyway, that was beautiful. So has the narrative on the Russell changed? Not really, right? Even today, it's made a lower high, right? Lower low. This is a daily chart of the Russell. The Russell is up over 1%, but it hasn't changed my narrative, and it won't until we take out and get back above 265. Again, I guess you could look at today's levels here, which would be 258.82. See if that level gets breached. That would mean more selling. And that'll be a new resistance, new support level potentially. So look what I did. I took today's low and look how it lines up here. Look how it lines up with that day, that day, that day, that day, that, and that day. Little gap fill. It's crazy, right? You break that, it opens the door to here. And if you break this level again, down she goes. So right now in a holding pattern, I ain't buying it. I ain't selling it. I'm just going to wait and see if this particular move that we have today has legs. Again, oil, I'll go to 15-minute chart. We were down, but oil is moving higher again. It's not at the highs of where it was yesterday, which was around USO was at about 94.30, but is absolutely off the lows of the day. VIX, yeah, look at this. Boom, boom, boom. Quite a move. But the VIX is still trading above 20. So as long as it's trading above 20, it's going to be really hard for the markets to rally. It's really going to have to get back into this zone where it can kind of rally. And then it's going to have to break 17 to the downside before we are back in an upward trend. So we ain't in an upward trend unless you're below 16. This could give the markets some movement to the upside. We did see it spike yesterday. It's pulled back today, but it hasn't pulled back below 20. It's still trading above 20. So we have to just keep our eye on all of these indicators. I'm going to be watching them all.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video from Trade With Me Now. Make sure to go ahead and like this video and subscribe to our channel so you make sure that you catch our next video right when it's released. Also, if you have a question or comment, please leave that in the comments section below. And of course, if you want to learn more about Trade With Me Now or join our community of profitable traders, go to tradewithmenow.com. There's also a link in the description below.